Whether you're in automotive or aerospace, every industry uses PLM a little differently. The challenge is picking a system that actually fits your workflows and team. We've helped hundreds of companies figure that out, so I want to break down our top 3 product lifecycle management systems: PTC Windchill, Siemens Teamcenter, and Propel, and show you where they perform best. Just to clarify, when I say PLM, I'm talking about manufacturing PLM, not software development ones like Jira or ClickUp. Sometimes people get those mixed up. So when I'm talking to clients, I always ask them about their pain points first. What are the main reasons you need a PLM? A lot of times, engineers can never find CAD files, and BOMs are impossible to organize. But whether you're upgrading from spreadsheets or need something more advanced, the answer usually tells me where to start. And that's really what we do here at Software Connect. Help you find the best system for your exact pain points. We'll get you demos and price quotes from leading vendors, saving you hours of research to find the best fit. Visit softwareconnect.com to schedule your free consultation, and we'll get you a tailored list of recommendations. All right, let's start with one that can handle some complex engineering: PTC Windchill. If you're struggling with BOM management, this is one of the best. It's made for large, discrete manufacturers, industries like automotive, aerospace, and electronics. What makes Windchill stand out is its product variation tools. Engineers can make variations from a single master product and compare them side by side. This can be as little as swapping materials or as big as redesigning a full assembly. Either way, it saves your team so much time compared to redoing a design from scratch. You'll also get advanced logic rules that let you define exactly how each product can be configured. So when a client has a one-off request, you're not stuck restarting a new BOM for just one order. And don't worry about any integrations. It has native connectors with most leading ERPs and CAD programs for instant data sync. Now, Windchill offers a lot more beyond the configurator. Modules like product data management, parts classifications, way too many to cover in this video. But with all this power comes a higher price tag. For ballpark reference, expect to pay anywhere from $60,000 to $150,000 per year. But you need a custom quote based on many different factors like the number of users and desired modules. If you need something more scaled back, check out Arena PLM or OpenBOM, both of which are on our PLM Roundup page. But say you're an enterprise company that works with multiple BOM types. In these cases, I often recommend Siemens Teamcenter. It's probably the most advanced system on the market. It's meant for complex engineering processes and massive BOMs. It excels in automotive, aerospace, and heavy machinery manufacturing, where engineers constantly innovate and solve problems. For example, say you're an aerospace company that designs an engine with 8,000 parts. Teamcenter can help you transform these into kits for assembly and line replaceable units for service. This lets different departments see the same BOM through 3 different structures, automatically pulled from the master. And that's really the foundation of Teamcenter's digital thread. It basically handles multi-domain integration across large organizations, so every stage of the product is one data flow. That way, everyone's working with the same data, whether you're designing or building. This gives your entire company a massive efficiency boost and promotes collaboration across functions. While this feature isn't unique to Teamcenter, it does it best on a massive scale. Just look at Boeing. They manage millions of parts on this thing. You probably don't have that many, but you get the idea. But because it's so sophisticated, it could be a pain to implement and learn. In fact, you probably need a dedicated manager to maintain it. So before you commit, make sure you really need everything it offers. And of course, it's one of the most expensive PLMs out there too. Now, if you're a startup or a growing mid-sized company, we've got you covered. Propel is a great system for businesses that need strong compliance without the complexity or cost of Windchill or Teamcenter. What makes Propel stand out, though, is its all-in-one architecture. It's built into Salesforce and has its own QMS system. This can be a game changer if you don't want to manage multiple platform integrations. Feature-wise, Propel holds its own. Because of the QMS integration, it's great with staying compliant with design regulations. This can be ISO standards like 9001 or FD21. You can track and trace all designs and quality instances to ensure strict documentation. It also helps your QA and engineering teams find problems faster since all the data is in one system. One of the knocks on Propel is that its CAD integrations are shallow compared to native ones. This means it can't really do advanced features like in-context assembly or automatic BOM extraction. And because it's easier to implement, you kind of have to use it as is. There's not a lot of room for customization like there is with Windchill or Teamcenter. But if you need something that's easier to implement at a lower price point, Propel is hard to beat. So let's quickly recap. PTC Windchill and Siemens Teamcenter are both built for large enterprise manufacturing. They can really handle anything you throw at them, but it does make both of them more expensive and difficult to learn. On the other hand, Propel is more streamlined, built for smaller teams that are getting their first PLM. but it does sacrifice customization and advanced features. But those are only 3 of the many platforms out there. If you're looking at more options, check out our full PLM roundup to compare products like OpenBOM and Arena PLM, which also could be good fits. And be sure to book a call with us if you want some custom recommendations. Just click the button on our home screen and we'll get you demos and price quotes from leading vendors for free. That way, you don't have to spend hours of researching yourself. Let us know in the comments what your needs are and we'll respond with some recommendations. Let me ask you this. Can your ERP handle a brand new PLM? If not, you're going to want to watch the best manufacturing ERP video too.